In this very quick video guide, I want to answer to a request of a user, and I'm going to show you real quick how this create the logo with Fiverr works inside the WordPress dashboard. Now, in my opinion, it's a good tool because you can use it to generate, you can use it for brainstorming and automatically create your logo, but it's not a free application apparently, so you need to then like recreate your logo using another app, but it's good for having, a start in designing your logo. So I'm just gonna click here and open up the website of Fiverr. You need to create an account, which I already did. And once you do that, and by the way, if you want to know more about WordPress, check the WordPress video course in the channel, and also similar courses in web design, graphic design, 3D design, and many others. So here in the Fiverr homepage, we can have an idea of what a logo looks like for the ones of you who are not really professional. And this is could be a good choice because instead of creating yourself your logo, or instead of spending a lot of money by paying a logo designer, you can just try to create your own right away with this web app. So logo will go everywhere. Will go on your website mainly if you use WordPress, but also you can use this in other merchandising for your business or for a business card and so on for many different reasons. So I'm gonna click here to make your logo. So click on this button, and if you scroll down here, you find a lot of you see here information about and also some examples of different logos. So let's get started from the beginning here. So let's make the logo. And first of all, you need to add your brand name. So I'm gonna add like JB, and that's gonna be my brand name. And if you want, you can also add the slogan, but I will not do this for the moment, but you can do it if you want. Then let's go next. And then the industry that you work. So I'm gonna type like architecture, and always add here from the list. So architecture, and then like design, interior design, and like 3D design, for example. So up to 3 keywords, and then also elements that you would like to include in your logo, like an animal or whatever. So let's say that I want here a gorilla, and press enter. To separate the keywords, press the enter key. And I don't know, maybe I'll add a banana, whatever comes in your mind. Again, this is like artificial intelligence. So you just type the words and see what's going to happen. And then you proceed and work with these as brainstorming. So I'm going to go next. Also, do I want a minimalist or hand-drawn or 3D geometric vintage cartoon? Well, let's do like geometric, and then go next. And then if you want like premium or accessible, if you want classic or modern, if you want traditional or innovative, if you want fun or serious, and if you want simple or sophisticated. And once you define this, just go and make your logo and just wait for the app to work, and it's going to return with many different options. You can change it also here. So you can see we have also many different colors, and here it gets the black and the yellow from the banana, I guess. And let me see here. So well, this is more cartoonish, so I can go over all of these and see if there is something, I don't know, like architecture, and how architecture and bananas will match with the sign, and everything will go along. But just gonna give a look here, and it could happen that something just blows your mind and say, okay, yeah, this is good, this is what I was looking for, so I'm gonna go for this. And you can either decide to continue here, or you can like get the idea and just go with another software or another website if you want. So let's say that I like this one. So let's go for, let me see here. And also you see different fonts. Maybe, yeah, I like this. I don't know. Just to do, oh, also this is good. Well, you can start with some of these and just go there, click, and then you can refine it. So you can change, you can see other options here. And you can also go ahead and customize the design even more. You can see that some examples of merchandising and coordinate graphic design for business, laptop, website, smartphone, and so on. So let's customize. And here you have like a bunch of tools that you can use, but I'm gonna leave this to you. Just, play around here, and you can like insert new shapes and change the color and try different combinations. So it's getting like more and more customized and less automated. I just want to show you the automated design. Now, when you're ready, you can preview your logo in different ways. And again, you can proceed. Now, if you want to proceed, you need to go for a package. So you can preview it from here. You can even like get these images and bring it to another place, or you go forward and buy the logo. And you have different ways. You have essential, which is like only PNG and transparent background. You have also professional, where you have also SVG, so scalable vector graphics if you need to do more things with your logo. And also you can download a sample of a logo to understand better what you're gonna receive once you paid this money here. So I guess this is all for this quick video guide about Fiverr Logo Maker. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please find a lot of others video guides of other web apps and other software in the channel, so you can check like Photoshop and Illustrator, Inkscape, InDesign, Canva, Pixar, and many, many more. So this is gonna be it for again this video guide. If you enjoyed, subscribe, and if you want to support us, join the channel. See you in the next.